A review on MIS tubular retractor system. First of all, I need to tell you why it is different than the regular retractor MIS retractor system, which Pakistani companies are selling on eBay or on different platforms. First, the bed support is a bit different. It is unique. The most of the problem we are getting from our clients that they are not satisfied with the bed support, which is not you can say a sustainable or in a good quality. But we try to change a bed support which is, first of all, it is adjustable. You can adjust the stand according to its height. Second one, the reliability of stand is bit well as compared to the previous one. Here you can have different modes, you can rotate it, you can use in almost 360 view, so it has more flexible you can say portion to operate as compared to the previous bed guide system. Now I would like to tell you this set is basically in aluminium, and the dilators are in different length. This one is 26 cm. This is a 13 mm. This is 18 mm. This is 22 mm. And this one is 26 mm. These are the dilators with different diameters. Now we came up with the cups. This is a cup with 100 mm length and 18 mm of diameter. Here's the same with 100 mm and 22 millimeter of diameter. And we also providing the facility for the light source. Here, if you can see, this is pure aluminum, grade 61. Yes. So the next one is 80 mm total length, 22 mm width, and this one is 80 mm with 18 mm width. We have different variable sizes in the cups like 100, 80, 60, 70 and 50, and purely this whole set except for the stand is made up with premium grade alloy 6061 aluminum grade, and this is a pure radiolucent retractor, and this is the whole review of that.